In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the importance of using constants instead of hard-coding numbers. So I'm also going to introduce you to a for loop, which you'll see later on in the chapters, but it's an easy way for me to demonstrate how to use constants. So let's just say that we want to multiply a number by another number. So we're going to get 5 numbers and multiply them, say, by 3. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to declare 5 integers. To make it easy, I'm going to do num1 equals 0. And I probably should just copy it. Now the compiler could care less about spaces in there, so that would be okay. So let's copy these as soon as my computer lets me. And then of course I need to change this to 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. So of course you would and notice that I hit the enter key after integer and I declared them all on separate lines. If you prefer to do it integer num1, integer num2, integer num3, that's fine over here. And the reason why this is getting a red squiggly line is the very last, oh geez, the power just went up. Actually, it went back on. Power went off and went back on, so we're good to go. Then I'm going to put in a semicolon that will take care of it. So I'm going to now do a, we don't even have to do a for loop, so I will just do the cout, enter first number, and then cin num1. And then I will copy and paste that. The reason why this squiggly lines, because I always reverse them, and it takes care of this. So let's copy and paste it, and we'll make some adjustments. Alright, so let's make this 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, and then we'll make this second, third, fourth, and fifth. So now what we want to do is we want to multiply each one of those numbers. So I can declare each individual one over here, but I'm going to break my own rule right now just for simplicity's sake, and then we go back and modify it. So I'm going to do, actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do create a variable here, and I'm just going to call it multiplied number. So I don't break my own rules. And so let's just go, in this particular case, multiplied number equals, notice the parenthesis, num1 times 2. And then we'll just do this, copy it 4 times. And change this to 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now we have this thing in here, and then we can always do the cout number multiplied by 2 equals, notice the space, and we would need to just copy this because it'll all be the same. So this should take care of it. So we'll try this, and now you're going to see once I do this what the advantage of a constant will be. So let's run it and see. Hopefully it'll compile all nice and peachy clean. So let's see, build. So we're going to go to debug and start without debugging. All right, and the first number, I'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have some cosmetic stuff. Number multiplied by 2. All right, so that's hard to read. So let's do the cosmetic in here. I'm very good at forgetting to do this. But go back and fix it.
And that basically just tells it to not show all the extra stuff that end.
No, this means go to the next line. The endl means go to the second line. Otherwise, that's why you saw it all mixed up, because everything was displayed right after each other.
Jumbled, okay, got it.
So that's basically new line. It's like hitting the enter key in Microsoft Word. So let's do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. 2, 3, 4, 5. So notice that we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so now what we want to do, we're going to go back to Visual Studio. Say, you know what? I'd really rather have it multiplied by 3, not by 2. So you go, okay, no problem. So we go in here and change this to 3, and then 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 we go and say, okay, this to 3, this to 3, this to 3, this to 3, and this to 3. But look what happened. I missed this one. So, and also, look, I had to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, technically 10 changes in there. So, let's run it again and see what happens. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, this looks good. 3, 3, 9, 12, 10. So we have wrong data. So that's very important. Why you want to do that is your data always has to be accurate.